In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix PowerPoint not responding on Windows 10. If you've ever been in the middle of an important presentation or project and PowerPoint suddenly freezes, stops working, or shows the dreaded not responding message, don't worry. There are several simple fixes you can try, and I'll walk you through them step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. The first thing you should do when PowerPoint says not responding is simply wait for 1 to 2 minutes. I know this sounds basic, but sometimes PowerPoint freezes temporarily because it's processing a large file, loading high-resolution images, running animations, or recovering unsaved changes. During this time, clicking repeatedly or trying to close the program can actually make things worse, so give your computer a minute or two. Watch your mouse cursor. If it shows a spinning circle, your system is still working in the background. In many cases, PowerPoint will recover on its own and start responding again, without you needing to do anything else. If waiting doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to end the task using Task Manager. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open Task Manager directly. You can also right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. Once it opens, look under the Processes tab and find Microsoft PowerPoint in the list. Click on it to highlight it, then click End Task in the bottom right corner. This will force PowerPoint to close completely. After that, reopen PowerPoint from the Start menu and check if it's working properly. If you see a document recovery panel, make sure to save any recovered files immediately to avoid losing your work. The third fix is to free up RAM on your computer. PowerPoint can freeze if your system memory is overloaded, especially if you have many programs running at the same time. Open Task Manager again and check the Memory column under the Processes tab. If your memory usage is very high, close unnecessary applications, such as web browsers with many tabs open, video editing software, or background apps you're not using. You can select those programs and click End Task to close them safely. Freeing up system resources can significantly improve PowerPoint's performance. Also, consider disabling startup programs you don't need, as too many background applications can slow down your PC overall. If PowerPoint is still not responding, the next step is to restart your PC. Restarting clears temporary files, resets system processes, and refreshes memory, which often fixes software freezing issues. To restart your Windows 10 computer, click the Start button, select the power icon, and choose Restart. Wait for your system to fully reboot, then open PowerPoint again and test it. In many cases, a simple restart completely resolves the problem. As an extra tip, make sure your Windows 10 system and Microsoft Office are fully updated. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can prevent freezing issues in the future. You can check for Windows updates by going to Settings, then Update and Security, and clicking Check for Updates. And that's it. Now you know how to fix PowerPoint not responding on Windows 10 using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows and Office troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.